How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat issue. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some quick steps via which you can fix the issue of you have too many friends on Snapchat. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application, then go to the chat section. The first solution is removing some of your friends. So long press on their Bitmoji and then go to their manage friendship and remove them as your friend. The other option is going to your profile, then selecting the gear icon on the top right corner and opening your settings. After you scroll down, you can find the button called I need help. After you scroll down on this page, you can find the option called contact. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to this page. Select the I need help with the Snapchat feature option, then scroll down and select the friends option there. After that, scroll down further and you'll be instructed with a few options here. You can also add in your username, your email address, your friend's Snapchat username, which is optional. Then you can add in the description of your problem. Here you can copy paste the text that you see on the screen that says, "Hello Snapchat team, I'm currently unable to send any more requests to my friends and I'm having problems adding them. Please fix this issue ASAP." Then you can submit this to the Snapchat team and they might get back to you by 24 hours. And there you go. That is how you fix the issue of having too many friends on Snapchat. To see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel.